Breaking news, people. One of our famous Jamaican TikToker got shot up. Also, one of his friends got killed. Right now, people, it's sad. You see me? Whole TikToker moan. But what we are talking about right now, Channel 10 local news in Fort Lauderdale release a voice call from the 911 emergency call from Dawg, a state wagwan. Actually, we see some footage that circulate across the internet where a virgin named Rasta King a surface as a boy. Dawg died in hospital. So far, nothing like that, people. And you don't want to know, smash the light there. Join the family. I could talk about the thing. Also, we have to talk about some people even I say right now, the TikTok thing I get too violent, brother. I get violent. Like the least little thing I say on TikTok, a man want to circle you. So, we don't know if it's forward from some argument, heated conversation with them have on TikTok. I don't know the styling thing up on TikTok, and even what we see previously which part of Virgin get rushed and lucky near him then near a ocean where him could have chuck in at the ocean. You see me? And it could have went turn out worse. So people right now, I tell you say, in a normal right now for entertainers, they have to be very, very careful when going on live, and especially getting a conversation where I get heated, you understand? So it lead to different things at moments. So as you can see right now, something break out in our club and it never turn out right. And right now, we have a virgin will pass off and leave him wife and him kids, and it not sound good, it not look good. The whole thing right now, people, it not look good, cause right now if you see some young Jamaican youth out there do them thing and yeah, hear some sad news, it never good. So we soon forward to the phone call there. Yes. And actually I think it's a drive-through, a Dunkin' Donut drive-through to be exact. Yeah. But the whole thing still is a sad situation still, you know what I mean? And it even crazy if you see a virgin just forward and I say, boy, cause we know everybody want them views, and but them comedian they take the thing to a next level, virgin, where remember in a Rasta King a comedian and you know, Dawg do him thing. So he just, why may I tell him, I don't know. Well, we switch part Swiss-Lee, cause we all see some people attack some crazy thing on some vlogs. I say, boy, like them would have want to see a Swiss-Lee, you know, set up the dog, and Swiss-Lee respond, and I say, boy, John no star, him will never forgive them for make a certain speech, which is understandable still. You know what I mean? Cause in a morning time like that, and a person make a statement like that, still you have to pre them. You see it? You can't joke like that. So, prayers go to the family them, you know what I mean? Yeah. It's real. And people, may I ask you please and thanks, subscribe, like. Also, get your subscription. Now, we are going forward to which part. Dawg make the emergency 911 call. So, drop on the thoughts as well in the comment section. When you don't know the thing said. SJ.
Right now, 5:30, new details in a deadly shooting outside of Duncan in Miramar.
Police now releasing the identity of the victim as we now hear the calls to 911 after shots were fired. Local 10's Christian De La Rosa joins us live in the scene with the very latest.
So when all of this went down around 3 o'clock in the morning yesterday, police got a ton of 911 calls from people in the area. One of those 911 calls came from one of the victims who was shot at and his friend. Take a look.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
One of the victims in an early Monday morning shooting in Miramar calling 911. Police flooded by 911 calls from neighbors about a hail of gunfire in the area of Miramar Parkway and Southwest 60.
That is crazy, people. Make sure to drop on the comments in the comment section, you know. And pray for Dawg, you see me? Also send a prayer to the people that may lose them son at the same time.
Second Avenue.
Okay, tell me what happened.
Shoot it, I don't know. Come here, now.
I already have the call answer. Were you shot?
Yeah, I don't.
Bro, the man sound like him terrifying, brother. John, no, that rough.
Shot?
Yeah.
And at this current moment, the police have said they have no current suspect, no one in custody. So this thing is some serious thing taking place in Florida right now. You understand? And the entertainer have to take it very serious, you know. And words in the street that he was with his security, so imagine that you're with your security and it's still not safe, so this is not looking good, people. You know what I mean? I don't know what's taking place, but for what we are here and for what we are see play out right now on the internet, it not sound good. As well as Rasta King has spread the news as a boy, the virgin passed away. You know what I mean? Like, let's be positive for 1 minute, brother. Like, things already bad, you see me? But can't tell a man how to do them thing. Everybody have them own will, you see it? But right now, so Jamaica, and people me tell them, they say over TikTok sad. Over TikTok sad right now, you see me? Right now, Switzerland must feel weird right now on TikTok. You see me? Cause you know say them are dupes and them always a link up and make the thing go viral and thing like that. So, you know? Yeah. So far, Switzerland I say, yo, the dog good. You see me? So, I guess the operation go right. Cause word in the street was, him have to take an instant operation. Urgent. Emergency. You see me? So, it's like them I say, boy, it's like the bullets break up in bone, you know? Which is pretty normal in a cases like those. You know, so him have to just glad say, him can live to speak about this whole situation, because as you see, the next virgin wasn't so fortunate, you know, and we have to just say rest in peace and condolence go to the family and thing, you know. Yeah, rough, because we all see the virgin wife with him pregnant baby, you know what I mean, I cry, pass out the ground. That not pretty, brother. She not deserve that, you know. So we all see our next virgin and say, boy, him dream or go on and call the virgin and tell him say, yo, bro, no go. So if all them think they real, brother, that rough, you see me? We know you have people that go cast it out and say, boy, I feel views, but brother, never know still, so can't, you know, especially in a sad case like this, not go bash nobody. So if other case the brother, wish the brother did listen, you see me? Yeah, but it's a rough situation still. Never look for hear this. Not this. But as you see, a life. So people, with that said, be cautious when you live on TikTok or any other platform live. Cause stay away from negativity. See me? Try to lower out the loose argument. Sometimes, I don't know if a man them get too aggressive over gift. You know? I don't know. But however, people still have to make money. You know the thing already. And with that said, money bring jealousy, so you still have to be aware of your surroundings, you know? Yeah, man. We just have to say still, thank God still say, I know 2 life lost, you understand? As bad as it is right now, bless up on yourself. We out here. Make sure it's on the subscribe, smash a like. Yeah.